Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you really quickly how I did my Marley twist. A really quick tutorial, like I mean quick, just 2 minutes, y'all. So basically the hair that I use is Cuban twist hair by Freetress, and it's 16 inches. You see I'm just taking 2 pieces of the Marley hair and I'm gonna comb it out with my wide tooth comb just to make it smooth. I noticed that my twists look better this way when I comb the hair out. You don't have to, but I'd like to do it. Next I'm gonna use ORS lock and twist gel for my hair, just to like lay my hair down with the twist, well with the Marley hair, so my twists look kind of neat. And then I'm just going to show you guys right here how I twisted it, and I just made it up close so you guys can see like the detail. I like to start my twist off as a braid because I feel like I have a better grip. So I just started off as a braid, then I'll maybe go 2 to 3 times and I split my own hair into 2. Then I start twisting the hair down. Now as you can see, I'm rotating each strand as I'm twisting, so that gives it the tighter look, the tighter twist look basically. All the way down to the end, so when I'm finished I just dip my hair in hot water so that my twists aren't super stiff or anything like that. And that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Links will be down below to this hair. See you guys soon.